Chemistry in everyday life. General introduction. Of all the sciences, chemistry in general and organic chemistry in particular has played a vital role in improving the quality of human life. Many substances which we use in our daily life are chemical compounds. Development of chemistry improves the quality of human life. Contribution of chemistry is seen in each and every field of human life. Some compounds such as foods, clothes, potable water, abode, soaps, detergents, drugs, dyes, etc., which we are using regularly are mostly made from organic compounds. Moreover, fertilizers and pesticides used in agriculture, polymers, oils, papers, glass, cement, various types of fuels, etc. are gifts of chemistry. Synthesis of creative and destructive explosives used in security of nation have become possible through chemistry. In this way, directly or indirectly, chemistry is closely associated with our everyday life. Hello students, from today we are going to start a new lesson that is called Chemistry in Everyday Life and it is going to be really an interesting chapter. लेकिन आपको इसमें जितने भी एग्जाम्पल्स वगैरह दिए गए हैं आपको बहुत ही अच्छे से बार बार रिपीट करते हुए याद रखना पड़ेगा. तो सबसे पहले हम इसका इंट्रोडक्शन देखते हैं कि कहाँ पर केमिस्ट्री हमारी लाइफ के साथ एसोसिएटेड है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम आवर डे टू द एंड ऑफ आवर डे. And that is called the chemistry in everyday life. Let's take different examples. So it can be toothbrush and toothpaste, shampoo, toilet cleaner, floor cleaner, again a tiles cleaner, different types of soaps, toilet soap, bathing soap, or just a hand wash, or bleach, detergent, dishwashers and everything we have in front of us. So next, all the type of different clothings, including several different types of fibers colored with different types of dyes. You can see different type of dyes in front of us. They can be synthetic also, they can be natural also. These are the dyes are applied over the fibers. Different type of pigments are also there. These are the colors we might have used in our recent festivals to make different type of rangolis. Cosmetics you have in front of you. I don't want to describe this. Nail paint remover, different perfumes, shoe polish, different type of medicines, surgical medicines you can see over there that has a therapeutic action, and some cosmetic injections are also there, you can see, that can be used to enhance the beauty. Dynamites, firecrackers that amuse our life, different type of fuels we use in our daily life to run our vehicles. Rocket propellants you can see, cement, ceramics that is generally used in poultry industries, electronics industries, diodes and triodes and LEDs can also be prepared with the help of different type of silicone and germanium semiconductors. Different type of alloys you can see, different type of gold you can see in front of you. Starting from the top to bottom you have different type of golds. Some steel material you can see, some micro alloys also there. This is duralumin which is used in cycle and the parts of aeroplanes. Papers, fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides, glass, and you can find a beautiful etching over the glass. Silicone. This is not silicon, this is silicone, which is generally used to make the cloth waterproof, and some other applications are also there. You will come across when you will study 14th group in P block elements. Different categories of plastics. Synthetic sweeteners, you can see in front of you. The people who are diabetic, they can use these type of synthetic sweeteners in place of sugar or glucose. Different vitamins and minerals in front of you, which can be used to overcome the deficit. You can see some food preserved with chemicals, looking awesome. And antioxidants are also required. You can see the two different halves of an apple, one which is just cut, after that you can see immediately, and after some period of time you can find that it has become brown in color. So these all are the compounds we daily come across, and so many other compounds. So it's interesting to study the title that is called chemistry in everyday life.